morning. If you wouldn't mind just letting us know your name and how long you've been with Equilibrium Chiropractic.
So my name is Billy Lineberry, and I've been coming here for, I think, a little over 3 years, actually.
Okay. Perfect. And what brought you to Equilibrium?
So I had been having a lot of neck pain that I was actually going to physical therapy for, and it just wasn't getting me the results that I needed as quickly as I needed.
Mm-hmm.
I was truly almost debilitated in that I couldn't turn my head more than just a few degrees without severe pain.
Okay.
And then even beyond that, I couldn't even push past to turn my head even further if I needed to.
Mm-hmm.
And because I work on the computer all day long, I needed to be able to, actively engage.
Of course.
And so I just needed some extra oomph. And my son and his wife both came here and highly recommended it. And so I thought, well, okay, let me come and check it out.
That's awesome. Well, that is great to hear, because that is, I know a lot of our patients do have that where they're sitting at the computer for a long period of time, and that definitely can affect your neck, can affect your back, can affect your shoulders, sitting and staring. Perfect. And so what is it that Dr. Stafford has been able to provide you in the time that you've been here?
So, number one, I can actually turn my head in all directions.
That's great.
Without any pain and without the difficulty that I was having before. I do have arthritis, so it will be a lifelong situation, but coming on a routine basis is what keeps that under control. He does manipulation as well as myofascial release, as I like to call it, scraping, which sounds horrifying, but really is not. And when I leave, I feel so much better.
Great.
He's given me all kinds of exercises to do, strengthening to do, stretching to do. We've discussed supplements that I now take, and not that he sells them and I'm not getting them from him here. It's just personal experience that I'm able to use these supplements that now have given me so much more. They help with my collagen and just all kinds of things so that I'm just healthier overall. His examinations, we've worked on various areas. We've had everything from my neck and my shoulders. I've had lower back and some sciatica at times that he has also worked on me over the course of time. I've had some vertigo that he actually did Epley's maneuver on to help correct my vertigo that I have as a long-standing issue. But in all of the time, it's whatever I walk in here with a problem addressing, he is able to help in some way, shape, or form. I was having some back pain, and it turns out not only did I need some manipulation down there, but his x-ray also indicated that I had a kidney stone I didn't know that I had. And so that led me down the path of going to my PCP and then to a urologist. So it's not just, you're not just walking here and getting your neck twisted or cracked or whatever people think that chiropractic care is. That's not what you're going to encounter here.
Yeah, no, that's great. And I think Dr. Stafford definitely believes in that, where it's more of it's customized to you.
Absolutely.
And your needs at that time. So I think a lot of places just tend to, every single visit, it's the same thing. Where here it's just like, one day you can come in and be like, your neck is hurting. Another visit, you come in and your back is hurting, and Dr. Stafford just focuses on that.
Absolutely. And that's every day. Every time when I come in, it's like, what do we need to focus on today? What is your most important thing to work on? Sometimes it's the neck, sometimes it's the back, sometimes it's the sciatica, and whatever it is, that's what gets addressed that particular day.
Yeah, and that's great to hear. So based on your experience, you've had great results.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
When I walked in here to start with, my pain was probably a 9. I was truly barely functional. I mean, like I said, I had been going to physical therapy 2 times a week and doing all the exercise they had given me, which was great, but it wasn't quite enough.
Right.
And so now when I walked in here today and you ask for my pain rating, it's a 2. I had never encountered that level of relief honestly in years. I'm so accustomed to being in pain that it's very odd not to be in pain. But yes, this is, look.
Okay, And lastly, would you recommend Equilibrium Chiropractic to your friends and family?
Absolutely, and I have numerous times. I do know at least one friend that has come in here based off of that, because I was in here the day that she showed up. So absolutely, unequivocally, I would say this is the place to come. You guys are always accommodating. You're able to work within my schedule. You're able to, get me in when I need to. I never feel rushed. I always feel like I'm the only person that he's dealing with or that you're dealing with at a particular time. The atmosphere is welcoming, yet everybody seems to care. It's not just a cattle mill where you're coming in and get put in this chair and go to here and go to there.
Right.
There's conversations that take place. The music is customized if you happen to be the only person that's in the office at a time. I mean, it's just I truly feel that we've become friends, not just a healthcare provider that I see on occasion. It's somebody that knows what my life is and knows what's happening in my life, and we discuss all things. And yes, absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, that is wonderful. Thank you so much, Billy, for taking the time to leave us this wonderful testimonial.
Anytime.
Appreciate it very much.
Thank you.